friends, it's Christy. It's been a while since I've done a haul video for you guys, so I thought I would do a quick one today. I've had a couple of purchases that were done very early in the year that I still haven't showed you, and I wanted to get organizing, so I thought I would do that today. So I'm going to set things off to the side and kind of go through them a little bit at a time. So first I'll go through what I picked up from Lawn Fawn. I did place an order at the end of the year when they had their new release. It's about to be another new release already, so it's been a little bit. You already saw me use this set here on a video. This is the I Love Eucalyptus little mini set with the koala. I thought he was super cute, so I got him. I've already tossed out the packaging. But I got the matching dies as well, so that's that one. And that was the first video that I did in my Valentine card series for 2019, so if you've missed that, you can go back and watch it. I also got this little pin that was a freebie with the purchase. Just is a little avocado, which is super cute. I got 2 ink pads. The Forget Me Not is not new, but it's one that I didn't have, and I was looking for something like Moonstone that was a little bit darker, because I love Moonstone, but sometimes on certain cardstocks it can be a little bit, it can dry back to be pretty subtle. So I wanted a little bit of a darker periwinkle blue, so the Forget Me Not is going to be really nice for that. And then I also picked up the new Sage Leaf. I have several greens, but nothing that is a more muted tone like this, so I thought that would be a nice addition to my collection. I also picked up the Let's Toast, which is brand new, and this is a super fun set that you can also make interactive. So I got the regular dies that go along with it, and then I also got the add-on, pull tab add-on for Let's Toast, which does some really cool things. I'm actually going to be filming a video with these right after I finish this one today, so stay tuned. That will be up this coming Friday. So super fun. I love these little interactive things. I think there will be lots of uses for that. I also got the metal adapter plate. I didn't have one of these, and this is great to use with the more detailed dies, so I thought that would be great to have. And then last from Lawn Fawn, I picked up the wood grain neutrals. So you get 2 whites, a brown, a gray, and a dark brown. And it just has that really cool wood grain texture to it. Hopefully that picks up on camera. So super fun. I'm looking forward to using that. The rest of my order was from Butterfly Reflections Ink. I picked up a new washi tape. This one is from Doodlebug. It's called Happy Skies, and it has little clouds and rainbows. I love to use washi tape to seal my envelopes when I mail cards, so I thought that would be a fun one, especially with the rainbow. It's going to go with all kinds of different colored envelopes. I love to use colored envelopes to mail out my cards, just for a nice pop of color for the recipient when they open their mailbox. I also picked up another multimedia mat from Ranger. I love this glue for sequins or any kind of embellishments that kind of stick up. This holds them down really good through the mail. I decided to try the Nuvo Aqua Shimmer. This one is called Midas Touch. So it has a gold tone to it. I have not tried anything like this before, but I thought it would be really fun. So I got that. I got a couple of things from Avery Elle. I got the new Party Fox stamp set and the matching dies. I just thought this would be fun for really quick cards. There's like everything you need right there in a really good price point because it's a smaller size stamp set. There's lots of different little accessories so you can mix it up. And then also from Avery Elle, I got the I think this is called Heart Trio or something. Oh wait, 3 hearts die. It's right up there. So that will just cut out 3 perfectly spaced hearts on your card front so that you can put little critters or whatever inside. I got one stamp set from Reverse Confetti. This one is the Forever Friends. It's got the really cute little dog and kitty with the little accessories and some really great sentiments. And I did pick up the matching dies for that as well. I got one paper pad. This is the Our House from Cartabella. And it has some really different designs, some florals, some mushrooms. There's some really cute kitty cats, houses, baking goods, butterflies and leaves. Just a really good mix of patterns and prints. So I got that. I did pick up, I'm just going to go ahead and show this since it was something I purchased, but it was the Merry Pigs stamp set from Hello Bluebird. I was really looking forward to using this stamp set. This was going to be the finale of my holiday card series. But as you guys know, if you've been watching my channel, my dog passed away the week before Christmas. And I've been having a really hard time with it. And I just couldn't make any more cards. I just didn't have it in me to, you know, do my crafting. A lot of times when I used to craft, she would come in and curl up on the floor underneath my desk and just keep me company. And I was just too sad to continue with the card series. So I ended it kind of abruptly. But anyway, I have these guys to use for next year. So we'll definitely save those because they're super duper cute. And then the last thing I got, which is not super exciting, but it's definitely necessary, another pack of the Avery Elle large stamp and die storage pockets. I use these for all my stamp storage and my matching dies, so I'm just was running out and needed to grab a pack of those. So that's it. Not a super big haul. This was actually several different purchases from the end of December into the very beginning of January. But I thought I would share them with you guys so you can see kind of what will be upcoming on my channel. I'm only going to do a couple more cards in the Valentine series. Like I said, I'm still kind of recovering from losing my dog and just kind of trying to get back in the swing of things. I'm also trying to finish my book in time for my writers conference in May. And I've just got a lot of things going on. So anyway, so I'll probably only do a couple more videos on the Valentine series and then we'll get into just regular cards. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know in the description or in the comments down below which items you're most looking forward to seeing me use. And I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.